Respected Chair, Honorable Minister of Industries and Care, P. Rajivji, then Mr. Suman Billa, IAS, Mr. Harikishore, IAS, distinguished guests, senior government officers, esteemed dignitaries, and other fellow participants. This is my great privilege to stand in front of this August gathering, and especially for the program of Keraleeyam 2023 seminar. My name is already mentioned. I am Thomas John. I am basically an electronics engineer with an MBA. And 91 I passed engineering. That point of time, the job opportunity in Kerala was limited. So I tried some of the jobs. Even I tried OEN also. So then finally, I had to go to Bombay to find a job. I got an opportunity to work with some of the electronics company. Then finally, I was fortunate to work with a medical device company for a couple of years. Then I understood that the enormous opportunity of medical device in India and opportunities, especially the rural India. And so I have decided that we will start from a small facility at Bombay. Basically, we are from an educational family. My father was a college principal and mother was a school teacher. So we had limited capital at that point of time. So we started in 1996 in Bombay. And you know that Bombay, to start an industry in Bombay is very, very difficult. And we started from a small gala with 800 square feet. Almost 5 years we were focused through that. But the product which we were handling was IVD, in vitro diagnostics products. Mainly it is used in the laboratory diagnostics, test kits and equipments. That point of time, we were only focused on the reagents, that is test kits, but equipments later we came. In 2003, we thought that we are growing, opportunities are high, so how we can grow? So we understood that we have a limitation of infrastructure, so how we can grow that? And again, that limited resources in Bombay, acquiring more land or more area was always a limitation for us. So we thought that we are from Kerala, why don't we think about come back to Kerala? So I discussed with some of my friends and all. So that point of time, many people told that you came from Kerala to start an industry, then you are going back to Kerala. So this was something everybody was discouraged me, but because of my family and the advice from my parents, that ultimately I have a obligation, it's not obligation, responsibility to take care of my parents. So I have decided to come back to Kerala. And we have some family property where we started this Agape Diagnostics in an expanded format. I would say that from the beginning onwards, I was getting a very good support from the local bodies. And always, I used to tell openly my story. Because I came back here because there was a limitations in Bombay. And I wanted to set up a good manufacturing facility where medical device, this is something connected to the human body. And this is something connected to the healthcare. There is no pollution. So I directly discussed with them. From the local body to the government, LCT board, all these places, I got a very good warm welcome. And especially from the ministry level, industry board, everybody was supporting me. Then the journey started in 2003. And by 2005, we started the manufacturing the products there. Till 2010, we were managing our Bombay factory also. 2010, we understood that there is no need to keep the Bombay manufacturing plant because, Kerala, for us, it's a good area of, focus. And again, there are three distinctive advantages we have noticed in Kerala. One is the human capital, because the people here are young and vibrant people, are highly skilled, and they can easily trainable. Second is, one of our key raw material is water. Kerala is the state where there is a lot of pure water, because the Bombay or Gujarat, the TDS of the natural water is more than 400 or 500, where here it is less than 50. So you don't need to wash the water in a too high way. So that are all, some of the advantage. More than all these things, I would say that, if we are discussing the things, there is a very big positive response which we are getting from all the departments, even our employees. These are all some of the things which we have noticed. Now, I wanted to touch some of the case studies or some of the points, but before that, I just wanted to tell you about my industry. More than the managing director position, I am the president of the Manufacturing Association in India for the in vitro diagnostics, where more than 100 companies are there. Today, the situation is like that. The total medical device market, or the total size of the market, is about 90,000 crores, and it is expected to grow about 5 times by next 4 or 5 years. That is the growth opportunity which government is thinking. And you have to understand one thing, out of the 90,000 crores, where medical device is about 30,000 crores, that is the total area, the total market, where Kerala is manufacturing 6,000 crores. I don't know how many of you are aware that. It is something very big. And again, there is a very big opportunity also. When we are talking about the in vitro diagnostics, this is a laboratory diagnostics part of medical device. There also, the market opportunity today is about 16,000 crores, and it is going to double next 3 years. So we are a company, our sale is about 500 crores plus. Even we are also planning to double our business next 2 or maximum 3 years. That sort of growth opportunities. I will just touch on some of the main advantage of being in Kerala. Kerala, as I've mentioned, that recently, we have discussed with one of a Japanese giant for setting up a manufacturing facility. Earlier, this company came to India. 5 years they wanted to sell their products, but because of the Indian pricing and other reasons, they were not able to do anything. So they were looking for a local partner. They met, they have discussed with many people, and they discussed with me also. Then I invited them to our facility, and they discussed with us. And again, one of the key raw material is water, that they have understood that Kerala is one of the best area for that. Then second, they have interacted with some of our fields, some of our staff, and they understood that the staff, the workforce is much capable than compared to the other states. I'm not comparing the other state, but I wanted to tell you the truth. And the third thing, which is something very important, and which is thanks to our industry minister and other government agencies for that, they said that how you will be able to make this manufacturing facility next 1 year. We said that now there is a system within the regulatory framework. We can start that construction activities, and next 3 years we wanted to take the approvals. There is a system that they have gone through all the systems. They said that this is excellent. So that way we have signed the agreement, and hopefully by April or May we will be launching, it is one of the special kind of products which is connected to the in vitro diagnostics. And special thanks to the government for special thanks to the minister and other government agencies for that support. And the opportunity, I would say that Kerala always, there is when the IT sector boomed, Kerala got the opportunity. Now, this is the time for medical device industry, because medical device industry, there are a lot of new things are coming. During COVID, you must be knowing that there are a lot of new innovations came. Entire COVID management things are happened in India itself. Lot of COVID tests, it's manufactured here. So there is a tremendous opportunity for medical device now. So I request everybody should think that how we will be able to take up this opportunity for the future. Now, there are some central government, some schemes are there for the, now in the GST regimes, there is no R&D expense reimbursement and all. But government came with a lot of, there are a lot of suggestions and all. So I think we all together, we should, take the advantage of that. And Kerala should have a special, it's like a NIPER medical device is in Ahmedabad, but how we can get a NIPER sort of things, special institutions in Kerala. All this will help for improvement of the medical device in Kerala. So I thanks once again. This is my case study and my experience. Kerala is a good destination for the industry. I thanks once again for the government officials and especially the vibrant and very, very aggressive Minister Rajiv ji for giving this opportunity and taking a lead on this. Thank you.